Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are attempting this image, drawing 20 from source cards book 72 practice drawings. Let's get to AutoCAD. Let's get to work. It's going to be fun. So I'm starting this image from the center. The previous videos, the use of circle quite give me a challenge. I'm expecting to enjoy this. A comeback. Alright, let's get to it. Radius 2.8. Diameter 4, diameter 2.8, diameter 2. Diameter 4, diameter 2.8, and then diameter 2. Then we have diameter 3.4, and that's a guideline. And because we have a lot of circles at once, I would use the guideline layer to guide me, so that I don't make unnecessary mistakes. Alright. So there we have it. Then let's zoom in on this. We have a diameter 0.4 and 0.3 in this. Alright, we'll make changes to the layer. So that's another issue when working with layers. You always have to remember to revert to the original layer or the appropriate layer. Yeah, that's it. The appropriate layer. So we have 8 copies of this. So we put them in circular array. Yes. Next we have 8, the number of items we use with 8 then. AutoCAD handles the rest of the calculations, that's the angles and everything else. And there you have it. Right. So I think from this point, this circle has exhausted its usefulness. Then move to the next phase, where you have 2 circles, radius 2.7, radius 3.3. Also from this center, radius 2.7 and radius 3.3. Sorry about that, didn't specify the center. Right, 3.3. There you go. Please do not, let me just delete this for now. That's radius 2.8 I deleted, so that we don't get confused. Now 45 degrees. I think I didn't show it to you earlier, but while we were forming the array, the circles are 45 degrees apart. So you can just take this apart from the center, have it pass through this, and then end here. Do likewise for this. Press enter, trim out this and this and that also, and then you can delete these. Okay, then 2-point circle. In earlier videos, so I explained how to use 2-point circle. Okay. Okay. Alright. So we trim again. Okay. There you go. Oops, sorry. Okay. So we are rather using the last 2 circles. So let's just extend this line and that line. Then we trim out this. Yeah. And delete these. Okay, we use our 2-point circle. Okay, we trim. So we got that circle which will just 0.3. Remember we deleted that earlier for clarity. 2.8. Enter. Then we have from the center of our circle to the bottom, 5 units down, a line 7.6 units in length. So we divide that by 2, that's 2.8, right? Yeah, 2.8. So 2.8 to the left, 2.8 to the right. And then you join them. DJ to join. Okay, and then press enter. So we move it down by 5 units. Alright. So let's take this up. We will need it. then the bottom line is of the top line. It's 4 units in length and 8.8 units from the bottom. We join them. Now we offset by 1 unit. This in, this in, this in, and then we trim. Okay. Let's select the edges. With like 0.5. Next, we get the six-sided polygon. What's it called? The center radius 0.25. We move it up 0.5 units. Alright, then we come to rectangle, the arrow next to it, click on polygon, number of sides, fit, center, specify the center as this, inscribed in the circle, yes, and yes, I think that this is it, yeah. So you can delete the circle. We copy this, select the polygon, alright, so right now what I'm trying to do is to find the geometric center. You can just come here again, this is geometric center, select it. I think that will make it easier. You select, right click, move from geometric center. There you have it. To this. Yes. Oh, sorry. We're supposed to copy. Alright. So copy selection from the geometric center. This. That's the center of the circle that forms the fillet for that edge. The same here. Okay. This one is going to be a bit tricky, so let's put it here and then move it down by 0.5 units. Okay, I think, yeah, we are done. That was fun. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you and bye bye.